Hey guys, what's up? We made it into the hotel. The resort is amazing. This is so beautiful here. But I want to show you guys the view. The view is really nice, man. Look at this. I've been here so many times taking pictures of Sarge. We're right outside. He's right there. I mean, right outside from our room. Look at that. The hangar, military hangar or barracks right there. Cozy Cone Motel with all the little cones. Those are like a little cabanas that you can stay in right by the pool. So cool. I keep seeing people pass by and they stop and they take pictures there. It's so awesome. Really cool. The girls are here. Here's the birthday girl, Pinky.
Hi.
Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What do you think? You like this place?
Awesome. Yes. This is the best resort, period. Point blank, period.
What do you think you're going
No
to
question.
want to do today or tomorrow or whatever?
Okay. We're going to hit Typhoon Lagoon. We're going to hit Cozy Cone Pool. We're definitely going to get one of those cones because they're real cute.
All right.
Probably going to eat whatever looks delicious and scrum-diddly-umptious.
Oh my God, this place is so cool.
And, oh man, I don't know. Well, that's all I got on my mind.
What about you, baby? Eva's here.
I'm just ready to enjoy the sun if it'll cooperate, guys. Because
there is no sun today.
I know, it's so cloudy.
Look, guys, so this looks like it has like the floor kind of like mimics like if you're in a garage and you have like the toolbox right there, which ends up being your TV station right there. So neat to have this like that. It looks like I'm in a really cool, classy garage. And look at the cool pictures we have here. There's Doc Hudson right there. It's got everything you need. Microwave. There's the kitchen. You can see we have everything we need right here. Got a little living room. And check out this. This looks like the inside of an old vehicle, like an old truck or something. The upholstery on this little sofa bed. It opens up. It's a bed. So it's pretty cool. Our kitchen table. Look at that. It's also a bed. Danielle's here. What's up, Danielle?
Hi.
What do you think?
This is awesome. Never been, and I'm blown away.
Yeah?
Very cool.
She stayed at Pop Century before, but she never stayed here.
Like 12, so
yeah.
This is
well, you know, we might be able to visit it so that you can get some memories because it's like right next door. It's right next door, which is really cool. Guess who's here? Jasmine's here. What's going on?
Good. I'm super grateful to be here.
Awesome. The girls are gonna have a blast. Guys, look at this. Before I show you the kitchen, any more of the kitchen table where we might wind up having snacks or whatever, look at this cool bathroom, man. Oh my God, yeah. The party's starting. It's so cool.
Wash. Oh, yeah. At the car wash, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so cool. And then we have, of course, the bathroom. Turn on the light now. We have some cool curtains, man. Look at that. That's really awesome. Let me close the bowl so I can show you. It's about, good size. This is like a really nice suite. Check out the tile. Wow. Just take a look. You have everything you need here. There's a little string so you can hang up your bathing suit. Clicks over there. And they always come with this. So you have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Totally equipped. We got our mirror here on the door. There's 2 bathrooms here, by the way. So this is another bed. Let's try and open this. We need manpower. Do we have to move the chairs? I think we do. So the nightstands are like little tool boxes on wheels, right?
I love how there's a lot of storage.
And look at this.
everywhere.
Fillmore's organic fuel. Sarge's surplus hut. Oh my God, it's so cool. It has all the theming of the movie, which is great. Look at that. There's Mater. And we have lights up there with a little dimmer switch.
Look at that.
And you don't have to turn it off. As soon as you pop up the bed, the lights turn off. And look at this picture here. It's beautiful. So many memories from the movie. So this is great. I'll put this up and it turns into a table. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That is pretty neat.
And I love that these are not heavy.
Yeah. And then these these chairs are really light.
I love it.
Really light. Not like the ones at All Stars. Remember how heavy those were?
You gotta be strong.
Yeah, the ones at the All Stars were super heavy, but these are like really sturdy and nice. They're like aluminum, so they don't weigh that much.
And I love how
Really
it looks
cool.
like there's metal signs everywhere.
Yeah, look at
I
that.
do like
All the
that.
signs,
Does it look like my
all
house?
decorations are really cool. We got our. This guy always gives me a hard time when I'm trying to pull this over here, but the girls are gonna have a blast. We're gonna have a blast. We're all just gonna go to Typhoon Lagoon now because you get free tickets to Typhoon Lagoon on your first day. You can choose either Typhoon or Blizzard Beach. So I think we're gonna go to Typhoon. But anyways, look at this. Here's our master. The girls sleep over here. So that's a sleeps two. This bed sleeps two. And then they have their own private bathroom. We have our own bathroom over here. It's a little bigger. It's got the glass door. Isn't that neat? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty awesome. Oh my God. We got all our towels, everything we need. Look at that. This is such a cool vanity or whatever. Car wash, it says up there. Working at the car wash. That's why Pinky was singing car wash. That is so cool. We got some of our luggage here already, but look, we got the nightstands. They're just regular wood, but look at the cones. Look at the cones from the movie. Awesome bed. It's very high up, so it's comfy. You don't have to like reach way down there to get to it. We have the TV station right there, right above the dresser. So cool. And behind the door here, you can see that we have a safe. We have everything. We have everything. Iron, luggage rack is down here. We got the extra pillow and blanket up there. The AC is cranked, so it feels really nice and comfy in here. See what's the headboard look like. What does it look like? We got the pillows, which are great. Nice pillows. Okay, just some nice details there. Looks like mimicking the cones, I think. And look at the picture. There comes Lightning McQueen and Sally. Oh my God. This is cool. I love the lamps. You gotta love the lamps. And then they have like postcards. See that? It's under there. It's under the, I don't know, whatever they put on top of that, like a, I don't know, a coat of something. They must paint a coat of something up on there, and those postcards are just like under there. But what a cool touch! Look at the cones on the on the curtains, man. It's so cool. Gotta love that. This is great. You do have like the privacy, you know, the privacy curtain if you want to just have the shears like this, and then you can, you know, open that up, open this up, get a lot of lighting, a really nice view. I'm gonna turn it around now because this thing is like tracking me. But look at the view. Just like the other side, we have a little more, kind of like more on this side. Over there, we're closer to the back end, but here we get to see the whole thing. Man, that looks so cool. And Lightning McQueen is behind there, and so is Sally. If we could just like, you know, peek over the corner, we would see Sally and Lightning over there. And look at the pool, man. We've been having like really cloudy weather today. Not sunny at all. Every once in a while you get a little bit of sun that peeks through, but you can see the flag is waving in the air. And so it's a little bit windy, not too much. Look, now it calmed down. The flag is just like resting again. And the landscaping is so awesome out there. Beautiful hotel. There it says Cozy Cone, which is the motel, and it looks like the motel, but it's actually like the laundry room and stuff like that. Really awesome how they disguise it and make it all part of the movie. This is just amazing. What a cool place. It's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be great. So happy to be here. If you ever come here and you need the suite for like 6 people, it's great. You can have plenty of room for everybody. And we do spend a lot of time out of the room, so it's not a big deal. It seems like we have enough space. Hey, they're taking pictures over here. Wait a minute. Let's get in the picture, guys. Look this way. Wait, look this way.
Don't blink.
Where you go?
I don't see Jasmine.
I know, I'm not tall enough.
Oh my
There we go.
days.
We got in the picture.
Right, I was like,
Also, look at the cones there, man. That's so cool. I know I said it before, but look, there's 3 of them. So I guess you can maybe click them. Turn one off, turn one on, whatever. Have less light or more light. And haven't opened that, but I guess that's a big drawer. 3 drawers there. The fridge, and then we have the cabinet over here. Ah, super nice. Let's just check out the hallway, and then we'll be on the move. Oh, by the way, you can pick these up at check-in desk. They let you, at luggage, they let you sign your name and whatever, and you got to bring it back to them. But look at that. Look at the hallway. It's got look at the lights. You got the cones. Oh my God, there's our room, 1639. Cars building. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. So look at some of the other signs that we have. Radiator springs down here. It looks a lot like the billboard they have outside. A huge billboard. It looks really cool. They do have all the cars from the movie parked all around, so you'll be able to see them when you walk around the resort. You'll see like Mater parked over there. You can see there's a VW all the way in the back. Forgot his name right now just because I'm probably nervous. And there's a Sarge over there. You can see more cars. Forgot their names right now. Drawing a blank, even though I know all the names. What's going on with me? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. And don't forget that I have a bunch of tours that I do at different resorts here in Disney World that I stay at. Always want to show you guys where I've been staying. And go live every once in a while. Try to do at least one live every week for you guys from Disney World, somewhere in Disney World. And check out my Disney bus videos. Those are awesome. I do the pool tours. I got a lot of Disney videos for you to watch. All right, see you in the next one. Wait, bonus footage. Let's do some bonus footage. Let's look out the window one more time, see what's going on. If you stayed for the bonus footage, you get to see what's happening out here. Look at that. What a beautiful sight. I wish I could open this. Maybe you can. Maybe you can open the window. It looks like it slides, but I don't know if it's only for emergencies, but that's pretty neat. Beautiful. Bonus footage, guys. Bonus footage. Wow, that's nice. What a view we got. It's really, really nice. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.